Hello everyone, good evening. I'm here to talk a little bit about some cat food that I just picked up at the grocery store. I recently picked up Blue Buffalo Healthy Gourmet, but it was in 3 different kinds of dinners. So this one is like a little bit different. This one is pate. The other one I picked up, I think it had like little chunks in it, and they had a chicken I think it was chicken and shrimp or fish and shrimp entree, and it was just a couple different things. And last time I didn't realize that they sold a pate, and I think that pate is a little bit easier for my cat to digest, so I think that's what she prefers over the shredded food. So I was excited when I saw this, and then I also realized that there are 3 different entrees as opposed to the other box that I purchased 2 weeks ago. So I was excited to try that. And as you can see, she's really excited to try it too. Right, Penny? Okay. So, this is natural food for cats, enhanced with added vitamins and minerals. This comes with the 12 3.0 ounce or 85 gram cans. The total net weight is 2 pounds 4 ounces or 1.02 kilograms. And the blue is for Blue Buffalo. So the 12 count variety pack comes with 4 indoor salmon entrees, 4 indoor chicken entrees, and 4 ocean fish and tuna entrees. So we'll flip over to the back. So it tells you the ingredients for each, but I'll just read the first couple so you could kind of get the idea. So the indoor salmon entree has salmon, fish broth, chicken liver, chicken, brown rice, natural flavor, gar gum, powdered cellulose, carrots, sweet potatoes, flaxseed, carrageen, potassium chloride. So you can kind of see, you know, they have some good stuff in here, and sweet potatoes, flaxseed, that's all pretty healthy. And the ingredients are definitely better in this than in some of the cheaper brands like 9 Lives and Friskies. So even though she loves those, I want to feed her something healthier, and she's not opposed to it, so that makes me happy. And I think I've kind of weaned her into a more healthier diet, and I could definitely see the change in her from feeding her Friskies to feeding her this. It just seems to have more energy and stuff. So this is the indoor chicken entree. The indoor chicken has chicken, chicken broth, chicken liver, natural flavor, brown rice, gar gum, powdered cellulose, carrots, sweet potatoes, flaxseed, potassium chloride. Pretty similar to the one before, of course, but separate because this is salmon and this is chicken. And then the ocean fish and tuna entree. Ingredients are ocean fish, fish broth, tuna, chicken liver, brown rice, natural flavor, fish oil, tricalcium phosphate, gar gum, carrots, sweet potatoes, flaxseed, salt, carrageen, potassium chloride, cassia gum, taurine, etc. And then the calorie content for the indoor salmon is 1,280 for the indoor chicken, and 900 calories in the ocean fish and tuna. The nutrition statement: Blue Healthy Gourmet Pate Ocean and Tuna Entree is formulated to meet the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO Cat Food Nutrient Profiles for Maintenance. And for more information on Blue, visit bluebuffalo.com, or you could call the number there. It expires March 13th, 2021. Plenty of time there. Oh, and then the feeding guidelines: feed approximately 2 cans per 6 to 8 pounds of body weight per day, and always refrigerate the unused portion. So very simple to open. Up. And here's ocean fish and tuna entree. So since this is on top, I think I'm going to give this one to her for dinner. My cat. But like I said, the other one was shredded, and then this one is the pate. All right, Penny. Okay, so I open this up so you guys can kind of see the consistency, and then I like mush it around a little bit for her so it's like a little easier for her to eat. think she likes it just as much as she likes the shredded ones. Oh, maybe not. Uh-oh. What's the matter? You don't like it? It's different, so she's got to get used to it. She's used to the shredded one I've been feeding her. I think she likes it. You like it, Penny? Alright, she's eating it. I think she was a little shocked at first because she was used to the shredded food I had been feeding her. You like it, Penny? I think she likes it. She's eating it, so that's a good sign. Sometimes it's just a little harder to break them into something healthier. So this was Blue Buffalo Healthy Gourmet 12 count variety pack and pate. And the indoor salmon, indoor chicken, and ocean fish and tuna entree. So to show you guys too, True Blue Promise always starts with protein-rich fish, no chicken, poultry, byproduct meals, no corn, wheat, or soy, and no artificial flavors or preservatives. And that's the can, and they're recyclable, by the way. Natural food for cats, enhanced with added vitamins and minerals. Hope your kitty cat tries out Blue Buffalo Healthy Gourmet and pate, and I hope they love it. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys.